Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can insert PowerPoint slide in CapCut. And guys, first step, export PowerPoint slide as image and export your PowerPoint as image and saving each slide in DVDL, and open your PowerPoint presentation file main and save as export depending your version. Step 2 guys, transfer image to your mobile device and created PowerPoint presentation on computer and transfer exported image to your mobile device. Sorry. And step 3 guys, import image into CapCut and PowerPoint slide mobile. You can import CapCut. Follow this step, open CapCut, start new project and navigate in PowerPoint your timeline and insert PowerPoint slide. Tap on plus icon and add media to your project and select photo gallery depending your device. Step 4 guys, arrange and customize image and add your CapCut project, arrange, insert and adjust each slide. And finally guys, step 4, export video, and after integrating PowerPoint slides seamlessly into your CapCut project, export your video. Follow the steps and thanks.